how can you protect yourself in a real property disclosure case?
I did have that happen recently. My client was going to buy the house. There was like this foundation crack going through it, like a waterfall coming through there when it rained. This guy bought the house when it wasn't raining. When it was time for the inspection, he put boxes and like furniture on the whole wall. The inspector actually said on there, I can't inspect this because he can't get to it. After the closing, they found out, they took out the drywall and you could see the crack. She made a video of the water when it was raining. The way we knew when we were filing it that they knew about it is there were new 2x4s behind the wall, like in front of the crack, but behind the drywall. Those 2x4s were pretty new. So it's very helpful if we have images, estimates for the cost of repair, because we want to know that we can prove that this person probably knew about this issue. You want to make sure you have enough damages where it would have made sense for you to hire an attorney. But in those cases, you always get your attorney fees as part of the case. It all starts with hiring your real estate attorney. That's the first person you hire after your realtor. So there's like 5 days after that an attorney can actually review it and just cancel it altogether or ask for modifications. If you ask for modifications, both sides have to agree on it. Otherwise, either side can still cancel the deal. It actually makes your job easier because as part of the disclosure claim, you have to prove that they knew about it and then they didn't disclose it. So you have to prove knowledge. But if you get them on an attorney review saying that they're representing that this condition doesn't exist, period, then whether or not they knew about it is irrelevant because they're telling you it doesn't exist. So all you really have to prove is that it existed. And if it was a mistake and they accidentally made that representation, it's still their problem.